Hi viewers, welcome you all from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. Today we are going to show you how to prepare Mulai Keerai Poriyal. Ingredients for Mulai Keerai Poriyal. It's sort of greens, 1 heap of Mulai Keerai, 2 tablespoons of Mung dal soaked, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1 red chilli, 1 Cumin seed, grated coconut, 2 tablespoons, 1 green chilli, 1 onion and 2 garlic cloves. Grated coconut, green chilli, onion and garlic cloves we have to make as a paste. Cumin seed, mustard and red chilli for tempering. So we are going to start cleaning now. So we can use the stem with soft fiber. No need to take the stem with hard fiber. So while cutting itself you come to know which is not good. So we have thrown that one. We have taken only the soft fiber, the stem of soft fiber only. Then we take out the leaves like this one by one. See, we have removed the hard part of the stem, so which consists of hard fiber. So we have taken the soft one. So we have to remove one by one like this. All the leaves we have to take out separately plus the stem separately. So do the same for the full heap. See, we have removed the leaves separately and we are going to use the soft stem. So we are going to use these leaves, and this is the waste which consists of hard fiber. We remove that stem. We are going to throw this one. We have to wash these thoroughly, both the leaves and the stems. Then we will chop. So we completely washed and drained the leaves and the stem. So we are going to chop this stem. Keep in mind, always greens are very good for health. It consists of fiber content. So those who are having constipation, they have to have 1 greens daily. These greens available in South India. So it will not take much time to prepare also. We are going to chop the leaves now. See, we chopped the leaves as well as the tender stem. It's ready to cook now. Keep the pan in flame, add little oil. We're going to add the mustard. Red chilli, cumin seed. So we have to cook this one in sim flame. There's a Mung dal. It's soaked with water. We use the same water because before soaking we have thoroughly washed the Mung dal, stem. We are going to add the leaves also. It's chopped and clean. All the edible greens are good. It consists of fiber. So try to use at least weekly twice the greens. Little salt. So turn upside down. So we're going to lid this one now. Let it cook in sim flame. In the meanwhile, we're going to grind the green chilli, grated coconut, onion and garlic cloves. So we're going to grind this one. We made this one as coarse paste. It's not that much nice. We made as coarse. So you should grind in the blender like this. So check in between. Then you can turn upside down. So you can check the stem whether it is cooked or not. Still need to be cooked. So we have to leave for 1 more minute. So after a minute, we are checking again. It's properly cooked. So we're going to add the grinded coarse paste. It consists of onion, grated coconut, garlic and green chilli. We are not adding any chilli powder, one the green chilli and one red chilli. So we have to saute till the raw smell go off of onion, garlic for a minute or two. Then it is ready. Mulai Keerai Poriyal from Veggie Research Blogspot, just for you. Enjoy. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.